Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Printables and welcome to this tutorial. So it's Tag Tuesday today, which is another new series that I have started on my YouTube channel, where every Tuesday I come up with a new tag idea and hopefully some inspiration for you to use in your own journal making. So today what I wanted to do was just use up a few things that I have lying around. So I've got one of my vintage butterfly bookmarks that I cut out as a test piece that I thought I might try and use the butterfly from this. I've got some journal words that were part of a freebie way back in Junk Journal August in 2024 that I did a little sort of monthly challenge back then, and I thought that I'd try and use one of these journal words. So if you want to grab that freebie, I can't remember which week of Junk Journal August it was, but it was way back in 2024. So that's available in my Facebook group if you want to join up there and go and grab that freebie. And then I've also got my blank vintage labels. So I've already used one of them for a past project, but I thought that I would use one of these today as the basis for my tag. And then I've just got some brown card because I think this color goes quite nicely with what we've got going here, and a sheet of music, which I'm not sure how I'm going to use this yet, but we'll just see what happens. So grab your tea or coffee or a drink of your choice and follow along, and I'll see what I can come up with. Thank you for watching this KILA Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I made this quick little vintage butterfly tag for Tag Tuesday. Make sure you check the description down below for a link to my Etsy store where you can find all of the printables that I used in today's tag. You might like to also come and join my Facebook group. I give away a stack of freebies every month, and we have lots of crafting fun. And please also like and subscribe to my channel for more Tag Tuesday and other crafting tutorials.